Next, I'd like to demonstrate heat transfer by convection. Here I have a hot flame from this Bunsen burner, and I have a piece of 4-inch chimney flue in which I have inserted a wire screen that covers the cross section of the tube. And when I heat that screen up, which is about this position in the tube across here, when I heat that screen up by holding this over the flame, that screen will get red hot, and that'll drive heat convection currents up through the tube, with cold air coming in at the bottom and hot air going out at the top. Taking hot air from the region of the screen and moving it from this location up to this location by the buoyant force on the air, and those convective currents then will demonstrate heat transfer by convection. So now I'm heating up that wire screen, and I have the gloves because the tube gets hot. I don't want to burn my hands. Now you'll notice there will be a loud sound that will come from this as well. As a result of the convection currents going up through the tube, that sends up sound vibrations, and it'll resonate with a rather loud, deep tone. And so you'll hear that sound as a manifestation of convection currents, and you'll also see the paper flutter upward at the top and inward at the bottom as a result of the cold air coming in at the bottom and the hot air coming out at the top. Demonstrating heat transfer by convection.